Hi friends, this is the rate I Oldmonk and today we are with the Nubia's Z11 Mini S. So this is a ZT smartphone as far the specification is concerned. It has a octa-core processor Snapdragon 625. It comes with a 5.2-inch Full HD display with 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass. It has a 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage. It can be expandable up to 200 GB. Other than that, the camera is 23 megapixel LED flash. In the front, you are getting a 13 megapixel camera with the 80 degree wide angle lens. It has a battery of 3000 milliampere. It comes with the 4G and VoLTE support. Other than this, it has a dual SIM support and which is a hybrid. The OS is Android 6.0 Marshmallow, and it has a Nubia UI 4.0 upon it. And the connectivity, it also has the Bluetooth and other things. So the design, it looks good. It has a metallic touch here, you can see. Let me get it focus. So it has the power button, the volume rocker keys. On the top, you are getting a 3.5 mm jack. Here is the noise cancellation mic. On the other side, you get the SIM card tray. Here is the Type C for the charging. It is a fast charging. There are speaker grills in the bottom. There is a fingerprint sensor, Nubia branding, and there is a 23 megapixel camera with the LED flash. Here you can see the camera has a little bump. The ring has a little bump. Here you can see that. So the camera is the main thing in the smartphone. It is a camera-centric smartphone. It has launched last year, going a fast. What is inside the box? These are the paperworks. Other than this is the Type C cable, and there is the SIM card ejector tool with the power adapter. It doesn't come with any of the earphones in the box, so don't get confused with that. It has a fast charging 2 ampere charger, so definitely it will do the fast charging. It has a 3000 milliampere battery. As far as the device is concerned, the price point of the device is 16,999, and it is going to be sold on the online market through Amazon, and it will maybe also sold by on the offline market too. As you can see, it has a home button in between the menu keys and the back button on the side, which is quietly impossible to see in this. I tried a lot with the different angles, see, but it is not visible. They are the very small, tiny dots, but it has a haptic feedback. Once you touch it, it will give a little vibration. So regarding that, other than this, it comes with the fingerprint sensor, which unlock the smartphone in 0.2 seconds, which is really fast, and it also has the PDF technology. The front camera comes with a 13 megapixel camera, so it takes a good selfie. This is definitely not the review. We are telling you what the device comes with and what the Z11 Mini S is going to offer in India. And let's go and check out about phone. Here you can see the model number Nubia Z11 Mini S. The Nubia UI version is 4.0. Other than this, you can see it has the quite many of setting. Let's go to the feature. It gives you the screen split up setting. It has a touch gesture, smart setting, dual assistant, so you can definitely run two apps, the WhatsApp, WeChat. You can have the two profiles together. It has a super screenshots which lets you to take a long screenshot of one page only. You can go to the bottom. So there is some edge features. So here you can see the edge features. I'm just pulling out so that you can have a glance on it. I'm not going to show you the everything what the edge feature is going to do. We will do a video once we are with the device and easy to play. So here you can increase the brightness. Here you can move backward and forward. So everything you can do while using that. Here you can check it out. One, hold the edge to swipe inward. What this will do? Swipe right edge, swipe left. So this is all the features what I am skipping right now. Going to the camera. The camera module looks very normal. It doesn't have too many things inside it, but you can have some pro mode, some modes like video mode, editing mode, pretty mode, and also the camera family mode where you let me show you all the modes here. It is giving you multi-exposure, light painting, electronic aperture, slow shutter, start trail, also video maker, trajectory, DNG, clone, time lapse, slow motion, macro camera, pano. So it gives a lot of customization who wants to play with the camera. So the rear camera is really something that you want to play. Here are some more settings what you can do in that. Location tags, gradient if you want, smile shot if you want, face detection, picture ratio, Also, you can change the picture ratio. Here you can see the picture ratio, it is 1:1, then you can 16:9. My preferable is 16:9. There is shutter sound. I definitely don't want the shutter sound. I don't know why people use that. And there's also touch to capture, which I don't like. There's few more settings, so it has a lot of settings. The front camera video quality will be HD display, the back camera will be with the HD display, and here you can see this is and the you can also take the 4K video with the back camera. So these are the few things what are there. A lot of settings and customization can be played with the smartphone. So the Nubia Z11 Mini S is going to sell on Amazon, and the phone looks quite impressive. The UI is very smooth, and the price tag is something very competitive, which is offering a lot to the customer. This is all about Nubia Z11 Mini S. This is at the rate ioldmonk, currently signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.